In the previous video, we shared the overall design and fabrication process of the flying car we built. This video picks up from where that left off, showcasing real test flights, controlled hover tests, and route-based maneuvering in the air. We're finally able to show you how this aircraft actually flies from both close-up and wide perspectives. We tested whether the aircraft could hover stably in a new environment. Altitude hold, vibration response, and center of mass were all visually checked. The celebration after landing, it's exactly what it looks like. That joy and relief you see, it was real. This time is not just liftoff, it's about flying a planned route and actively piloting. You can clearly see how the aircraft responds to directional control, holds posture, and manages in-flight vibrations. Fine manual inputs like small yaw adjustments or throttle modulation are all visible here. Seen from far away, this flight demonstrates how stable the craft truly is and how well it maintains heading. Vibrations, wobbles, and straight line tracking are all visible even from this wide angle. It captures the full test field while still making the scale and motion of the aircraft clear. This flight was an unmanned test to verify that the flying car we built could maneuver in the air and respond correctly to commands. This is a crucial step before manned flight, and this test proved the aircraft's basic stability and reliability. There are still many technical challenges ahead, but this gave us the confidence to move forward. The next video will feature a manned flight test, but this video focuses entirely on unmanned flight verification. If this video sparked even small bit of inspiration for you, that alone makes it all worth it. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Like, subscribe, and turning on notifications would mean a lot to us. Thanks again for watching. See you in the next flight test.